But it's also critical for us to train ourselves to turn and face our stress, to smile to your stress, look deeply into our stress. Most of the time, we don't ask ourselves the basic question, why am I feeling stressed? We're barely conscious of it because we throw ourselves into consumption and doing. And what we really need to do is to stop, breathe, and reflect. And so rather than shutting the door, we need to welcome our stress in, even though that's the last thing we feel like doing, and take some time to understand what the circumstances are, where it's arising, what our reaction is, where this links to in our past, and crucially, what our attachment is that causes us to suffer, because there always is one. For example, if you feel stressed out because of your performance at work, you can meditate on what drives this.